What's up guys, Visual here, but you can call me James, and welcome to my 40,000 subscriber design contest. So guys, as you can tell from the title and thumbnail, we have reached the 40,000 subscriber milestone. Straight off the bat, before I do get into the actual design contest, I would just like to thank every single one of you for letting me reach this goal. It's absolutely insane, and hopefully we can reach 50k and even 100k in the near future. Regardless guys, I'm sure you want me to start discussing this design contest. All of the rules are on screen at the moment, however I will be going into them in much further detail to help some of you out. So kicking it off here with the rules, first of all, your entry must be a creation from me. Last time I did it so you guys could create a header for anyone, and it got a bit confusing. So the header or whatever you are making, it literally doesn't matter. It could be an illustration, it could be a motion design, it could be like a GIF animation. Honestly, as long as it's something creative, I can pick you as a winner basically. So make sure that the creation is for me. Next off, a speed art is definitely recommended for your work. However, if you don't make a speed art, it's not going to be the end of the world. I can still include you in the first, second or third place spot. I am just basically saying that it will help you a little bit with your entry, as I can include it in the video and people that way can see the process of the creation. When you are submitting your design, you want to go ahead and post it onto Twitter. If you don't already, make sure you have a Twitter account, and you want to tag me in the tweet at VisualJDaniels, and you also want to include hashtag visual4k in the post as well, all capital letters, and that way I will be able to see all of the responses. Also, if you are going to upload a speed art video, I definitely recommend you use the hashtag visual4k in the title and tags as well. That way it will be easier to find. One other quick rule is that the design cannot be for any other contest. Maybe you're going for, like, I don't know, some irrelevant Call of Duty clan recruitment challenge. I have no clue, but make sure that the design is only for this contest. And some other quick rules I would just like to mention. Number one, being subscribed to the channel. Also, if you would like to throw post notifications on as well, that way you will be notified when I do post a results video. The next thing is following my social media, so you can stay updated with when the results video is being released, and also you can just stay updated with some behind the scenes stuff as well. So if you want to follow me on Twitter, Instagram or even Snapchat, they are all at VisualJDaniels. Another thing I recommend you doing is liking this video. That way I can tell how many of you are entering. Finally, the contest is going to be ending August 2nd, and then a couple days or even like a week afterwards, once I get all the results in, I will announce that, as I said, on my Twitter and social medias, and also over here on my YouTube channel. An extra detail I'm sure all of you want to know is how do you get my logo and so forth. I'm going to leave in the description down below a download to a visual assets pack, and inside there is going to be my logo and also the vector of it and everything like that. And also I am going to include some images of me in case you guys are making like an illustration or something along the lines of that. I don't know, maybe you're making like a more personal revamp for me on Twitter, then you can use those, but they are of course optional. I definitely do recommend though you get the logo in there somewhere. Okay, so now moving on to the prizes. I'm sure you all want to hear this. I tried to make the prizes fair and also some really good ones as well at the same time. So we're going to kick it off here with the third place prize. First of all, you're going to get a choice of 2 design packs or self-eye products for free on my store, which is selfeye.com/visualjd. You're also going to get a feature on my channel and also my Twitter, so I can shout out, I don't know, whatever you want me to shout out, your YouTube or even your Twitter, and that will definitely help with some growth as well. You're also going to get the moderator role in my Discord and also in my YouTube streams. And finally, you are going to get a 1-month channel sub box. So at the side of my channel feature page, you will be on there. If you are posting like speed arts and so forth on your channel, then that option is there as well. Moving on to the second place spot, as you can tell, this is going to have much better prizes. So for the second place, you're going to get the $15 cash prize, and instead of getting 2 graphics packs and 2 self-eye products for free, you're going to get all of my current packs and also all of my future packs for free as well. And you're also going to get the same as third place. You're going to get the feature on my channel, the moderator in my Discord and YouTube, and instead of a 1-month sub box, you will get a 3-month channel sub box. And finally, the first place spot, I tried to make this have the best prizes, so you guys are aiming for this one. You are going to get a $50 cash prize, all of my current packs and all of my current self-buy products for free, all future products for free, a feature on my channel, and of course you will be featured as first. You're going to get a admin in my Discord instead of a mod. You will be the top role, and you will also be a mod in my YouTube, of course, and you will gain a 12-month channel sub box, and also you will be able to do a dual design with me, which I will post onto YouTube and also onto Twitter, and at this time I will be obviously linking you and promoting you as well. So it's definitely a really good way to gain some extra exposure, and as well as that, there is a cash prize for both first and second. So, and yes guys, that is it for the Visual 40k design contest. I just want to say now, if you are entering, then the best of luck for your entry. I'm going to check them all out, so make sure you're tweeting them to me on Twitter. And yes guys, we're going to end it there. Thanks once again for 40,000 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. This has been Visual or James, and I'm out. Peace.